In this video, we're going to write and graph the equation of a hyperbola from the given information. So the center is at 0, 0, focus is at 0, 10, and the vertex is at 0, negative 6. 0, negative 6 is a vertex, means that 0, 6 is also a vertex, meaning that it's going to open up or up and down here. So this is going to be y squared over 36 plus, and then we want these two things to add up to be 100 so that we can get to 10 for our foci. 100 minus 36 is 64. This is minus equals 1. So y squared over 36 minus x squared over 64 equals 1. And it's going to open up, and we have 6, 6 there, and foci at 10 and negative 10, that's C. We also will have asymptotes if we need to find them, of 6 over 8x or 3 force x, so up 3, right 4. There's my asymptotes, and negative, so up 3, left 4. There's my asymptote there. Let's see, foci at negative 13, 0, and 13, 0. So those are along the x-axis, and the vertex at 12, 0. So 12, the vertex, and then a foci there at 13, 0. Negative 12, 0 will be a vertex. Negative 13, 0 will be a focus. It's going to open this way and this way. So that's going to be x squared is going to be the positive part. Y squared is going to be the negative part, equals 1. 12 squared is 144. 144 plus this part equals 13 squared is 169. So b squared equals 25. And so this is x squared over 144 minus y squared over 25. And opening left and right. And vertices are at negative 12 and 12. That looks like B. Foci at negative 10 and 10 on y. This is y squared over something minus x squared over something equals 1. And they're going to add up to be 100. And y equals negative x is an asymptote. So this is going to open up or down. And these numbers are going to be the same. So $50 and $50 will divide to give me 1. And So they add to give me 100. The square root of 100 is 10. So we're going to go 5 root 10 up here to get to my vertices. That is D. And then 50. I said 5 root 10. I meant 5 root 2. So that's a little bit bigger than 5. Somewhere between 5 and 10. And that's why I chose this one, because that's not quite, that's between 5 and 10. This one's too big. Find the equation for the hyperbola described. Center at -10, -3. So center at -10, -3. That looks like C. And it's going to open up and down here. So this is y squared. Y plus 3 squared minus x plus 10 squared equals 1. And foci at, let's see, we're going to be going 7 left and right. For C. And call this A is plus or minus 4. And this is in the y direction. So 4 squared is 16. And 49 minus 16 is 33. And that's the equation that goes in this box here. And we already picked C. Moving on here. Vertices here, so that means the center is halfway in between. That's going to be at 4, -4. 4, -4, and this is going to open left, right. And get rid of these that open up, down. And y equals, so we can look at those asymptotes. Centered at 4, -4. Yep. And rise of 8 and a run of 5. Rise of 8 gets me to 4. Run of 5 gets me to 9. So we're 9, 4. So that looks like this one. Yep. So and let's see, our equation here is opens left and right, so that is x minus 4 squared over something minus y plus 4 squared over something equals 1. And the this was 25 for my part that was with my x was 5. 5 squared is 25. Part with my y was 8. 8 squared is 64. Like that. And if you want to graph that, check it out. That's what it's going to look like. All right, that's it for this video. We'll come back next time and we will finish up 9.4. See you for the next video.